Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics. So today I have brought a problem which is addition of mixed fractions. So we are going to do it with an easy way. So let's start. So here first understand that in a mixed fraction which is 3 1 by 4, it means there are 3 wholes and 1/4. In this we have 5 wholes and 1/8. So we can write this wholes and fractions we can split. So here also we can write it as 5 plus 1 by 8. Now 3 wholes and 5 wholes make an 8. So now we have to add 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. So let's take the equivalent fractions. So equivalent of 1 by 4 is 2 by 8 and we have 1 by 8. Now we get 8 plus 3 by 8 which is equal to 8 3/8 which is the answer. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.